4 things that happen to your body if you start to eat almonds every day. Eating almonds could literally save your life. In a study, the American Heart Association found that low nut consumption increases the chances of developing cardiovascular disease. Among nuts, almonds are the favorites not just for their taste, but for their benefits too. We'd like to present 4 changes your body experiences when eating almonds on a daily basis, all of which are backed by science. It reduces acne. According to this study, patients with severe acne presented about 9% less vitamin E in their bloodstream. Eating almonds to improve skin conditions is a long-dated, Middle Eastern traditional cure that turned out to be backed by science. Almonds are packed with vitamin E and antioxidants that could help you cure acne and rejuvenate your skin if you can withstand its high levels of omega-6 fat. It helps to treat diabetes. This study showed that patients suffering from type 2 diabetes are likely to see their physical condition improve by eating almonds on a daily basis. Not only do they help to unclog arteries by reducing bad cholesterol, but they also contribute to a reduction of blood sugar levels thanks to their minerals. It helps to recover from giving birth. Eating almonds as a natural remedy to regulate intestinal flow and gain energy. Almonds are an essential ingredient in Ayurvedic diets and are often recommended to women after giving birth to help them recover quickly and avoid stretch marks. It might make your baby smarter. Almonds can improve brain activity. Eating 74 grams of almonds a week might make your baby smarter, according to a study carried out by Spanish scientists who observed 2,208 pregnant women. Children were then monitored when they were 1, 5, and 8 years old. Kids whose moms ate almonds during pregnancy scored higher on their IQ tests. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.